New generation of wealth builders.
To open a Mexi account, you may click the link on the description below. And then you can open using email or mobile. Add your email address over here, add the password, and then enter the referral code over here. It's MEXC-ZFT-TRADREP to get exclusive rewards and trading fee discounts. So click on sign up, finish the puzzle, enter the verification code from your email, and then you're done with the registration. You may also verify your account by going to Profile, Identification, and submit the necessary documents to provide your identification. And that's how you open a Mexi account.